In Texas, every season is pool season. You can stop Googling right now because your perfect home is right here at 28014 Amalfi. Gated neighborhood, single-story floor plan, 3 beautiful bedrooms, 1 media room, 1 study, 2 bathrooms, but get this, wood floors, tray ceilings, crown molding, quartzite sink, lift mount TVs that drop in and down from the ceiling, car wash style shower, herringbone tile in the primary bath. You've got this amazing gazebo with a pergola, Edison strung lights, this cool pool with a waterfall, beach entry, all backing up to a private greenbelt. You have access to that greenbelt through a back gate, storage shed, and nice little walking paths. If you like what you see in this house, share this video. I'll reach out to you directly with more detailed insider information.